Hello. You all are very welcome to LocalWell YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how you can find out the availability of medicines by searching them by their composition or salt in the LocalWell app. So let's start today's video. Many times it may happen that you want to see the medicine of a particular composition or salt whether it is available with you or not. So how can you search for it? For that, you press our global search shortcut Ctrl+F on the keyboard. Then, the search area opens. Look for the third option, composition, to find medicines by their composition and check if they're in stock. Let's consider a simple example. Imagine you are checking for paracetamol-related medicines. Which do you have and which don't you? Notice, here are paracetamol products. Specifically, we have 7 paracetamol 650 mg items in stock. Let's check, what products are these? You'll see available products and those not in stock right here. So if you want to order the products which are not available in your stock, then simply click on that product and see here you will get an option at the top, order now, and if you press F to then see this product will be added to the cart. Similarly, in Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Kendra, the name of generic medicines starts with their composition. So you can easily search those medicines by coming to the section. For instance, if we look up tramadol 50 mg tablet, it's currently out of stock. However, we can order it. Generic medicines at Jan Aushadhi Kendra have drug codes too. You can search by these codes. Return to products to find them. The code for tramadol 50 mg is 28. So if you just look here and search 28, then you will see the medicine here. This was today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos about LocalWell. Like the video and leave your feedback in the comments.